There was water dripping from rafters in the house. Everything was saturated with water. And it turned out it was a hot water supply pipe had ruptured and had spooned steam all through the house, all the way up to the second floor. It was constantly putting steam through the house like a pressure cooker.
And we called him adjusted because we weren't sure what we had for a policy. And he suggested getting RebuildEx. And I must say that was the best thing we ever did, as you can see by the work they did.
Oh, we had a lot of fears. I mean, we didn't know where to begin. And I mean, Chris guided us through the whole situation from beginning to end.
The big thing was the confidence in the situation, and we weren't sure what things would look like down the road. And he answered all our questions, and he had good background and everything.
All the materials and everything they put into the house were all quality. And what shocked us was he told us we started in August, and he told us we probably would be back into the house by the end of the year. My brother did contract work, and he said, don't get your hopes up. He says the job is going to take a lot longer than that. We slept in the house New Year's Eve. I mean, we have a lot of things that we didn't have before. I mean, Chris would think of all the lights in the closet, which weren't here before. I'd say there's no wasted space at all in the house anymore.
That's the nice thing.
Every inch is being used.
That's the nice thing.
Definitely recommend them to my best friend.
Yeah, I think the big thing with RebuildEx was everything was on schedule. Everything was quality.
We were more than happy with our new house. Call RebuildEx right away. Don't hesitate. Call them. You'll be happy.